TMC has a culture of violence in Bengal. That same culture of violence they are trying to bring in the parliament.
Unfortunately, the proceedings of House hit a new low with the papers being snatched from the minister and torn into pieces and thrown into the air.
जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, आज सुबह राज्यसभा ने प्रस्ताव पारित कर आपको सदन की कार्यवाही में भाग लेने से इस सत्र की समाप्ति तक सस्पेंड किया है। अतः आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप सदन से चले जाएं ताकि सदन की कार्यवाही चल सके।
Very simple point. TMC has a culture of violence in Bengal. That same culture of violence they are trying to bring in the parliament. तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं पे जिस तरह का वायलेंस किया है बंगाल में, उसी कल्चर को आज पार्लियामेंट में लेके आ रहे हैं। मेरा सीधा सा प्रश्न है, हम देश को, हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन पार्लियामेंटेरियंस को, उनको क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं?
I rise in deep anguish over the course of events during the first 3 sittings of this monsoon session in this August House. I am not able to understand why the House is not being allowed to discharge its responsibility as mandated by the Constitution. It is even more difficult to understand why the people of our country are being denied their due from the highest legislature of our country in the hour of stress. The moot question is, who would benefit from a dysfunctional parliament? Certainly not the country and its people. I'm not sure if those who are behind the disruptions would benefit from the crippling of Parliament. In the meeting of the leaders chaired by me on 17th of this month, all sections of the House expressed a keen desire to have a productive session and even sought each other's cooperation in this regard. Happy over such noble intentions, I have urged the leaders to walk their talk by enabling smooth functioning of the House. But the course of events in the last few days brought out the gap between the noble intention and the real actions. It is really despairing. The only business that could be transacted so far was 4-hour discussion on COVID-19 issues and the hour-long reply by the concerned minister. The Minister of Information Technology was scheduled to make a statement on Pegasus spyware issue. I made it clear in the BAC meeting yesterday that thereafter members may seek clarification which would have enabled them to address their concerns in the matter. Even if they are not satisfied on that, there was still scope to discuss, because I have already mentioned it, that leaders and the government, they can sit together if there are further issues and then find a way out and then get back to me. Unfortunately, the proceedings of House hit a new low with the papers being snatched from the minister and torn into pieces and thrown into the air. Such actions are in a clear assault of our parliamentary democracy. They do not cover the world's largest democracy. Please, do not cover the world's largest democracy with glory. Please, should be members of parliament be party to degrading the country.
I move that Dr. Shantanu Sen, AITC, be suspended from the services of the House for the remaining part of the current session for his unruly behavior, unbecoming of a member of Rajya Sabha yesterday, the 22nd July 2021, by snatching the copy of the statement from the Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology.
Those who will say yes. Those who will say yes, no. Yes, approved. Dr. Shantanu Sen stands suspended.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah, I am coming to.
May I submit?
Please.
You have allowed the Honourable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs to move a motion suspending Mr. Dr. Shantanu Sen from the remaining part of the session. But the matter is not in the list of the business, number one. So we did not have any opportunity to react on that, because whether the government is moving such motion we are quite unaware of it. Because
no-
it was not included
What is
in
the
the
point
list.
of order?
It was not included in the list.
माननीय श्री शांतनु सेन जी, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं आज सुबह राज्यसभा ने प्रस्ताव पारित कर आपको सदन की कार्यवाही में भाग लेने से इस सत्र की समाप्ति तक सस्पेंड किया है। अतः आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप सदन से चले जाएं ताकि सदन की कार्यवाही चल सके। माननीय शांतनु सेन जी, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं आज सुबह राज्यसभा ने प्रस्ताव पारित कर आपको सदन की कार्यवाही में भाग लेने से सत्र की समाप्ति तक सस्पेंड किया था। आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप सदन से चले जाएं ताकि सदन की कार्यवाही चल सके।